Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and today in this video we're going to talk about the saying, an English saying, which is better late than never. That is used to advise, to warn people or advise people not to hurry, not to rush, just to take their time and complete what they're doing, okay? Mainly when we are going from point A to point B. Imagine you are in a car with someone and the driver is driving very fast and very dangerously, carelessly maybe, because the driver, he or she, wants to take you to point B on time. So in these cases we just advise the person or warn the person, better late than never. I mean, if we get there not on time, it's better than getting killed on the way, okay? Never means having an accident or something like that on the way so that we never get there. So I prefer to be late, but not be in danger. Never here can be dying or being in danger or getting hurt or having an accident or something like this, okay? It is not always about just accidents or the driving or roads or these kind of things. Sometimes you go to a party, like this one. Let's look at the first example. A says, sorry I'm late to your party. B says, better late than never. So it's the response. B responds with the saying. And he or she means, can be that I'm happy you're here and you haven't tried to get here on time and endanger yourself. Can be the thing, but most probably not. It means that I am happy you're here anyway. Maybe imagine you have a party, you invite some people, some never turn up, some never come, but someone comes a bit late, but comes, and you're happy for that, and you say better late than never. So it means you're late, but I prefer that to never come here. I like that you're here. When I compare that, I like that you're here late when I compare it with you never coming to my party. So that is not about killing yourself, endangering yourself or something like this, you know what I mean? So yeah, we say better late than never, and that can be late coming to the party, late finishing your homework, but finishing that. Late, but finishing that. Late completing your assignment, late eating your food, late doing something, late but not leaving that incomplete, okay? Rather than never doing that, okay? So it's not always about arriving, okay? Arriving from driving distance or arriving to point B, okay? Let's look at the second example. We're going to be late anyway, so do not try to kill yourself. Better late than never. In this case, it can be a driving story. Someone is telling the driver, we're going to be late anyway, we're late already, okay? So do not try to kill yourself. In this case, how can one try to kill himself? Well, by doing some dangerous maneuvers or these kind of things. The person can endanger himself or others in the car or the vehicle, whatever it is. So, better late than never can be for driving and these kind of things, and also for completing something a bit late, but which is preferred to never completing the task. Okay, so imagine you complete the report of your company a bit late, but the company is happy that you have done that. Maybe they were worried that you would never do that, but you did it, and you did it a bit late, but that's fine, because you did it. Okay, so in these cases we say better late than never. And this is mainly on its own. It's not in the other sentence, or it's not, we would not separate it and put other things inside this saying. It comes in one go. Okay? Here is a completely separate sentence. It's a response. This is a sentence again on its own, but related to the previous one. We could have it without the full stop over here and just attach it to the previous sentence, but it is mainly the same way. It appears the same way because we do not have any proverbs or we do not have any subjects or objects to change or any verb to change based according to time, anything like that. We always have it the way you see. Okay, so I hope you have learned something from this video, and I think you have one like this in your language. What is that? Would you please comment it below this video and give me the chance to learn that? I'll be grateful, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.